In today's fast-paced digital world, time is of utmost importance. For content creators looking to make their mark on YouTube, the clock is ticking. But fear not, because we have a secret weapon that can help you save valuable time and still produce top-notch content. Are you ready to unlock the power of AI? We've got an exciting treat for you. In just 3 easy steps, you'll learn how to leverage the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT to craft engaging titles, descriptions, and even scripts for your YouTube videos. Plus, we'll show you how to create stunning visuals with ChatGPT and Canva. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to endless creativity. But that's not all. We've also got some amazing freebies for you. So stick around and get ready to supercharge your content creation game. Let's dive into the world of AI and take your YouTube channel to new heights. Step 1. Writing your blog post with ChatGPT. First things first, let's head over to OpenAI's website and log into ChatGPT. Once you're in, let's switch to the chat mode and enter your first prompt. Give it a descriptive title like How to Grow on YouTube Using AI Tools like ChatGPT and Canva. Now watch as ChatGPT weaves its magic, spitting out a well-structured blog post complete with a captivating introduction, several informative paragraphs, and a conclusion. This is where your expertise shines. Add a few more prompts to guide ChatGPT into providing detailed information on using AI tools such as relevant examples and a call to action. There you have it. In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT has generated a comprehensive blog post ready to be transformed into a visually appealing masterpiece. But we're not done yet, so stay tuned for Step 2. Step 2. Creating a captivating thumbnail. It's time to bring your blog post to life with a stunning visual. Head back to the platform that makes design magic happen, Canva. With a vast library of templates and tools at your disposal, the possibilities are endless. Start by selecting the size for your thumbnail. Once you've got that sorted, it's time to explore the design elements. Look for icons, graphics, and fonts that complement your blog post topic. You can even upload your own images to personalize your thumbnail. Pro tip: ensure your thumbnail follows YouTube's recommended specifications to avoid any nasty surprises. When you're happy with your design, download it and get ready to take the final step. Step 3. Generating compelling titles with ChatGPT. Now that your blog post and thumbnail are ready to go, it's time to focus on the titles. Head back to ChatGPT and let your imagination run wild. Enter your blog post URL and ask ChatGPT to generate 5 attention-grabbing titles. The result: 5 unique and intriguing titles that will entice viewers to click. Don't stop there. Ask ChatGPT to expand on one of the titles, crafting an enticing description that will have viewers eager to dive into your content. And for those of you who prefer a more structured approach, we've got something special. Try this prompt, summarize this blog post, and create 5 titles suitable for a YouTube video. This way, ChatGPT will generate concise descriptions of each section, helping you identify the perfect angle for your video. Canva, your design companion. Throughout this journey, we've used Canva, the versatile design platform that has made creating visuals a breeze. Whether you're crafting thumbnails, banners, or any other design project, Canva's user-friendly interface and extensive template library make it the go-to tool for bringing your ideas to life. So why wait? Start exploring Canva today and unleash your creativity. You've now successfully leveraged the power of ChatGPT to create an informative blog post, a captivating thumbnail, and attention-grabbing titles for your next YouTube video. Remember, you can apply these techniques to a wide range of topics and niches, so don't be afraid to experiment and explore. And the best part, you've done it all in record time. Congratulations! You're officially a time-saving AI content creation pro. But our journey doesn't end here. We've got more exciting content coming your way. So stay tuned for more AI tips and tricks. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep saving time. Thanks for watching.